Hello world, today is Thursday, April 17th, 2025. It's 12:39 p.m. I am in Ho Chi Minh City, my workstation, and this is another vlog of day in the life vlog, 10 minutes raw, unedited, talk about what is top of mind. So I'm going to focus more on building AI apps and kind of narrow down the kind of focus on this. So now I am working on Ava Creator, and it converts your photos to anime. And I'm working with React Native, making it cross-platform. Next is so it's like iOS. So now I'm like working to get it on the iOS App Store, using Revenue Cat for the subscriptions that can be cross-platform on web and Android. Okay. Maybe that's not super interesting. Last few days, I've been really aware of how taking the perspective and taking decision to be pro about your work, about your art is critical, as being pro means whether you feel like it or not, you sit down and you do the work. And it doesn't matter how you feel, if you want to do it or not, you have set working hours and you do your work then. So this is the concept talked a lot about in this book called The War of Art. And it's about being an artist, and the author talks a lot about this concept of being a pro, and this means consistency, putting in the work, the time, and if you don't feel like it, you still sit there at your workstation and you still do the work, even if you don't feel like it, even if you just have to sit there and just think about it, imagine it. If you're not feeling good and you can't even type or make a step, at least you're there in the space. You're not doing anything else. You're not thinking about anything else. You're just thinking about what your next objective is and imagining it, and your awareness is on it. So usually I talk about I identify topics to talk about for the vlog. So this is one of them: putting in the work, turning pro, being a pro about your art. Next is I really want to talk about last week I got really into this idea of focusing on making manifestlyai.com. It's a web app focused on helping you grow your social media presence and your influencer, your follower counts on your Instagram, on Facebook, Threads, X, LinkedIn, all in one place. Having a dashboard like this is very powerful. So this is what my goal is for Manifestly. Just focus on this. You have one page where you have all of your social media profiles, and you have all of your followers counts that are being updated, like a dashboard, and you have weekly and monthly and quarterly reports, and you have, secondly, you have an AI that helps you draft content and schedule content and create campaigns. And it helps you come up with ideas. It helps you generate the text, the image, and the video. And so these are AI tools baked into the platform. Sorry about that. These are AI tools baked into the platform where you have a brand brief that talks about what your brand is about. And you have AI assistants that help you draft content for text, for X, LinkedIn, for captions, images that are like character consistent with your face or without a face, with a consistent style. Videos like short reels have different effects and a library of like templates. And that comes with voice generation based on your personal voice, on your cloned voice or character voice that are consistent. And music generation that allow you to generate copyright-free audio, music, or you can generate captions, narratives, narrator voiceovers. All of these are within the app. And so it helps you create this content that is consistent within your brand brief, and that's the AI assistant is context aware of your goals, your follower count, and your recent campaigns. So you can create like a campaign and create like a content schedule, and it helps you create a strategy for growing your social media accounts. So this is like super powerful and super exciting. So now I'm taking the Manifestly app from like this kind of all-in-one AI tool that focused on self-improvement to this like AI assistant for growing and managing your social media presence. So with very, very low input, you can leverage a high social media content output that's consistent with your brand, your message, or your product, and you have a place where you can see the dashboard of all the statistics, all the data, so you can make data-driven decisions. And B, you have this AI that's able to help you draft content and create content schedules. And then third is like a suite of tools like AI chat with all the latest AI models, all the latest open source and APIs for the video and image generation models and voice models. So all in one place. So that's Manifestly. So that's what I'm really excited about, and that's what I'm working on app.manifestlyai.com. And the second thing is avacreatorpro.com. avacreatorpro.com. I just bought this domain name, and I'm building the React Native app, and it's coming along super well. I just demoed it this morning, where I uploaded a photo on the iOS iPhone simulator. You can upload a photo and it will convert it to Ghibli style anime, and it's a very beautiful effect. And so seeing this gets me really excited about what is coming. So I will be able to wrap this up in an app, Ava Creator app, and where you can get a subscription for a $5 weekly or $10 monthly subscription, and you have access to these unlimited generations, and you have a free trial of 3 generations for the image. So then that's the very simple use case. You upload a photo and it converts it to anime. And then this is really the app that goes on the App Store, Android, and web, and working on this now. So now ending this vlog with a short couple 30-second meditation, sending good vibes, vibrations, and peaceful thoughts to the listener and to the universe. Thank you for listening, and peace.